Hello and welcome to the section 5 of the course Handling Sensitive Data Exposure. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We will learn about how to expose the sensitive data from application and what are the various mitigation techniques. Now let's start with the sensitive data exposure overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about the sensitive data exposure and also the overall process. Let's talk about sensitive data exposure, how you can gather the sensitive data. So in this attack, attacker can insert a backdoor in server to get sensitive data. So what attacker can do, attacker can create a backdoor. An attacker can upload a backdoor through a website, and obviously it will upload to the web server. And with the help of that backdoor, attacker can grab sensitive information from the server. Attacker can also access directories in the server. Yeah, it is also possibility that attacker can also access the files and the content available inside it. So attacker can also read, write the content available inside the directories. Now let's talk about the scenario number 1, which is backdoor insertion. So how attacker can insert backdoor. So first of all, you can see here that on the left hand side the attacker is available. In middle the website or web application is available, and on the right hand side the server is available of that particular application. So the first step is attacker will try to insert backdoor with the help of a website. Now how attacker can insert? For example, if the website has upload option, so attacker can upload a backdoor file through that option, and that will automatically upload to the server. So in the second step you can see that the backdoor will upload in the server, and that is permanent. Backdoor is available inside server. Now next step is with the help of that backdoor, attacker can gather sensitive data. Attacker can execute various commands to gather sensitive data from the server. That is called backdoor insertion. Second is file inclusion vulnerability. Now what is file inclusion vulnerability? File inclusion means attacker can also visit the sensitive directories available inside the server with the help of this vulnerability. For example, this is particular request or a page, http then a.php question mark file equal to page.html. Now what attacker will do? Attacker will simply use, for example, burp suite, and with the help of burp suite attacker will get a request, and attacker will easily manipulate that request. An attacker can change the path of a file and can access the sensitive file like password file. So you can see here that now file equal to dot slash and then etc slash password. So it is a possibility that if file inclusion vulnerability is available there, attacker will be able to access the content of this file. It means the username and the password of the system. So what will happen? If it is possible, then attacker will get this kind of output you can see on the screen, right? So it is showing you that root is the username and root is the password available inside it. So this is also another vulnerability which can be used to expose the sensitive data. So you can either upload a backdoor inside the server. You can also take help of file inclusion vulnerability. So we will perform practicals on these kind of vulnerabilities in the next videos.